Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the handle so the thread grips. Clean the wood and remove old tape. Once done, pick a durable polyester or waxed cotton thread about 0.5 to 1 mm thick. Make an anchor. Wrap a couple tight stitches just above the knob and leave a 6 to 8 cm tail. You do this so tension stays constant as you proceed. Now maintain firm tension and position your first wrap at an angle to start the spiral cleanly. Once anchored, you form a tight spiral up the handle. Keep even tension with your thumb and index finger. This prevents loose loops. Make each turn overlap the previous by roughly 30 to 50% so coverage is uniform and there are no gaps. Periodically test the grip and adjust tension before you advance further. If you encounter an uneven section, reverse 1 or 2 turns and rewrap slowly to align spacing. Continue until you reach the desired. You finish by locking the end so the wrap won't unwind. Trim the tail but leave a short piece to tuck under the last few turns, then stitch through those wraps 2 or 3 times to lock everything in place. Once secure, apply a small dab of clear adhesive or wax to the tuck for extra hold. Make sure it won't interfere with grip feel. Test by swinging the bat and inspecting for slipping. If the wrap shifts, unwind the final section and rewrap tightly to correct it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.